How to change your Netflix video quality. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change the video quality on Netflix. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, that having a good internet connection and everything plays an important role because Netflix is going to adjust the quality automatically. But one of the most key thing that you want to understand is that Netflix video quality comes from the plan that you currently have. So if you subscribe to a plan that is only 1080p or 480p or 720p or 4K, you will have each of those options respectively. In this case, I have the basic mobile plan which offers me only 480 pixels, which is a good enough option for me because I only want to log in on a single device. I'm not really actually trying to upgrade it and so on. But if you do want to go ahead and then change your quality, you have to change the plan. And to change the plan, you will not be able to do it from the mobile application. Instead, you have to log in from your browser, and then you have to go to netflix.com, sign into your account, then tap on the three lines icon from the top left, then go to the option called account. Now once you go to the option called account over here, basically what you have to do is just scroll down and then go to the option called change plan. You can see my current plan is mobile, and which will only offer me a basic 480 pixels, as you can see standard 480p, which is my current plan. So if you took this plan, you only have 480p, you cannot go ahead and then watch in high quality because that's the price you paid for it. And you have the basic plan basically, which will offer you a 720 pixels in HD and can be good for any phone, tablet or computers or even TV sometimes. Then you have the standard plan which most people prefer, and that is 1080 pixels, and which will offer you on any phone, tablet and computer or whatever else, which costs you $9.99 a month. Then you have the premium ultra HD plan, which actually offers you up to $11.99 a month, our best video quality in ultra HD, 4K and HDR. And you have this plan, if you want, you can choose the premium plan and stream up to 4K on your 4K devices and tap on the continue button. But trust me, if you're a single person, I always go with the current plan, which is the mobile plan in my case, because I personally prefer, if you're sharing an account, you can go to basic or standard. You don't really need the premium unless you're trying to watch it on a large smart TV. So hope this video helps you answer the question as to how you can increase the Netflix quality. As I said, to increase your quality or decrease your quality, you have to upgrade your or degrade your plan. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.